Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to format your C++ code inside VS Code. So by default VS Code doesn't have an extension to format C++ code. So if you go to the extensions tab, just type here C++ and you will actually see this official extension by Microsoft. You just need to install this. It provides you with all the features related to C++ such as Intellisense, formatting, debugging, all this stuff. So if you don't have this extension, then there is no other extension which is there in VS Code. If you right click, you will not see this option of formatting. So if you have unformatted C++ code, you will not be able to format this. So simply click the install button. It's used by almost 85 million developers, you can see. So simply click the install button, and as soon as you do this, now you will see this option will appear of format document, and you simply say format document and you simply configure this formatter as default. And as soon as you do this, you will see all your code will be formatted in a matter of second with a single click. Again, simply click format document and automatically you will see all your code will be formatted. So this is a really easy way by which you install the official extension by Microsoft to activate this, and then automatically this will format your code. And also it provides you with the IntelliSense features as well. So as you write the code here, you basically will get all this autocomplete suggestions as well. So it's very easy to code C++ as well. So as you write here, you will see the suggestions coming. So definitely try this official extension related to C++ to format code and also add IntelliSense features in VS Code.